Getting money quickly matters more than having the highest advertised advance, and both Brigit and FloatMe are built around helping users cover short-term cash gaps instead of replacing a traditional loan. By the end of this video, you'll know which app makes more sense for different emergency situations and how to decide between them before you need extra cash. If your priority is having access to larger potential advances along with extra financial tools, Brigit is usually the stronger option. If your goal is a simpler app focused on smaller paycheck gaps, FloatMe may be enough. The better choice depends on the kind of emergency you're trying to handle. Start with access to funds. Before relying on either app, you need to qualify based on its eligibility requirements. That means linking your bank account, allowing the app to review your banking activity, and maintaining an account that meets its standards. Approval is never guaranteed, so it's worth setting up your account before an emergency happens instead of waiting until the last minute. The next thing to compare is speed. Both apps offer ways to receive money faster, but available transfer options can depend on your account, your bank, and the method you choose. If you're dealing with an unexpected bill due today, always check the estimated delivery time before confirming an advance. A lower advance that arrives immediately can be more useful than a larger one that takes longer. Now think about everything beyond the advance itself. Brigit includes additional financial features designed to help users manage their money between paychecks. Those extra tools may appeal to someone who wants ongoing budgeting support instead of only occasional emergency cash access. FloatMe keeps the experience more straightforward. If you simply want a small advance to avoid a temporary cash shortage without navigating lots of additional features, its simpler approach may feel easier to use. There's also the question of how often you expect to need emergency funds. If emergencies happen regularly, it may be worth choosing the app whose overall features fit your financial habits instead of focusing only on the next advance. If this is a rare situation, ease of use and quick setup could matter more. The bottom line is simple. Brigit is generally the better choice if you want broader financial tools alongside cash advances. FloatMe is a solid option if you prefer a simpler experience centered on covering smaller short-term cash gaps. Before choosing either app, review the current eligibility rules, available transfer methods, and any membership requirements inside the app so you know exactly what to expect. If this comparison helped you, like the video and subscribe for more straightforward app comparisons.